Good morning, futures traders. Today is Wednesday, September 10th, the time 9:29, trading the Nasdaq open. We have about 45 seconds. You can see here we have some volume here, selling pressure here. We had some buying pressure here, so we're kind of at a indecisive moment. Looks like we might be trying to head down a little bit, maybe to retest this point here or the London high. We also had some buying pressure pre-market here, so not sure which direction. At the moment, it looks like we might be heading down, but we'll see. I'm actually going to be ready for a buy in case we reverse.
NQ.
All right, here we go. So we have a short here that's not valid. We hit the London high right there.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
So that's the London high. So it looks like we bounced off of that. Let's see here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, we'll let the ATM handle it.
Order filled.
All right, we're done on that side there. Okay, large bar protection turned on. So we took the break of the London high with this volume here. Could have taken the break of this high volume up here, but I did not because we had kind of indecisive price action in the open. We had some buying pressure and then selling pressure, but we took the break of the London high here. We'll give it a few minutes to see if Praedox takes any. If not, we'll call it a day. See, we have some pretty large bars here, 132 ticks. So we're set to 120 ticks on the large bar protection. We're also at a support area here, and we have a lot of support in the way. So we may not get into any trades from an automated perspective at this moment.
Order submitted.
Oh, so we're looking at an aggressive volume breakout here, possibly. I am not necessarily liking that.
Order canceled.
So I'm canceling that. I don't like it. We're right at this area of support here. So again, use this as a trader's assistant. If you don't like what you see, no need to take it. I'll put this on pause until we get into a possible trade. So you can see here we had some buying here. So no need to be selling into this support area here. Now we have some buying pressure here. So we may take a swing up here, bouncing off of the London high. Again, here's the London high, here's the London low. You can see price respects these areas here. Typically, anyway, we have a resistance point right here. So if we break through here and above here, I anticipate we'll get into a trade long, possibly. Again, you can see here how we're heading back up. So again, key areas to be aware of: London high, London low, these pivot points, your prior day highs, lows, and opens. Always be aware of those. The EMA. So again, it does respect these areas. But again, no trades yet on the Praedox side. So we're going to give it a few more minutes, and I don't want to hold you up on a video, but we'll give it a few. We added a couple more features here. We had a flatten all in case you want to get out of a trade quickly rather than close it, because if you close it, it disables the strategy. Not a good thing. You know, we always have our move to break even, which you can configure in the settings. So we're getting close to completing our beta test. I did get 4 more accounts funded yesterday. So again, I'll just pause it. All right, folks, I'm not going to make the video long, so we're going to stop right here for the time being. So I'll share the trade journal with you as well, and we'll call it a day. All right, so here's the trade journal with today's entry. As you can see here, for September 10th, we hit our daily goal. So far, good start to the month of September. Praedox took a couple trades for break even, and then we had a one winner. So it was profitable. Hopefully, we can get it in front of you guys live. It was a pretty choppy market this morning, so nothing going on. Anyway, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, shoot me a message on Discord, send an email. Happy to respond as quickly as I can. Join our Discord if you can. Again, we're getting a lot of excitement over Praedox, and you know, you'll get to meet some folks and see how they're doing and hear from the beta testers, and you know, just in general, just have a good time. Anyway, have a great day. Be back at it tomorrow.